race fans, it's Adrian here, and welcome back to Just a Ride. Merry New Year to you all. 2025 should be a good one. I turned 50 this year, so that should be fun. That's if I make it. I will, I'm sure I will. Looking forward to it, I am. Can I just prefix this whole series with I am not a mechanic, nor am I a fabricator. But I have got enough time and the garage to turn tools on my bike, and over the course of the many years that I have been doing this, I've obviously garnered a bit of confidence and experience on a number of different things that, you know, had you said to me 10 or 15 years ago that you'd be splitting engine cases, I'd go like, what? I can't even bleed brakes, you know, but here we are. I've got this experience, but I'm humble enough to not call it a how-to. This is a how I do. So, yeah, I just want to, just those little things that you can do in the garage that make you a safer rider and a better rider, and it just gives you more confidence, you know, like you can just understand the bike a bit more. That was what I felt in the transition between not knowing anything to having some idea. It made me a better rider, so I was happy for that, you know. So obviously if you found this, then you probably are in a position where you want to start turning tools on the bike, but you haven't got the confidence. I suggest to you that journey of 1,000,000 miles begins with one step. You know, just start it. Just crack in, have a little look, sit back, look at the thing that you need or you want, and confidently move about it. So a few things that I would suggest that you do straight off the bat is you obtain the specific manual for your machine. It makes life so much easier. It takes the guesswork out of it, and also helps you with those procedures that you may not have, you know, had the experience to do. Simple measuring devices, really imperative. You probably already got them as well, and even down to the this is to measure fastenings. Something that is a really nice thing to know. It's, you know, it's good to know that you've got an M6 with a thread pitch of 1.25. Valuable little bits of kit. You can also get things like this as well that you know, measure thread pitch. You can also use it like inside a fastening as well and go, oh yeah, that's what I need. So yeah, just a few little measuring devices make life a lot easier. We are talking basics here, so that's all you would need to get rolling, to get starting. Something as simple as that. Seriously. Obviously you can expand and build on your tool chest, but it doesn't take much to start, you know. Simple stuff, really is. And I would suggest, like, that was just sort of basic maintenance in life, wasn't it? This is bike specific stuff. If you own a motorcycle and you don't own this, then stop watching this immediately. You're an idiot. Get out of here. All right, now those guys are gone. Get back at it. You've got to have decent chain lube, and you've got to have bloody brake cleaner to clean up the mess that this makes. Also, motorcycles are synonymous for having really poor batteries that if don't get the necessary constant work in them, they will die. So this is just a simple little trickle charger that I'm going to plug into the wall on those bikes, i.e. the track bike that only gets used a couple of times a year. This will periodically live with this on it for a couple of months or weeks, whatever, just to ensure that that battery doesn't die. And probably the most important thing is that, guy, you are needing to know what your tyre pressures are at all times. It is imperative. We'll touch on that later. But yeah, so that's just the tools. I just wanted to do the intro and a little basic, what you kind of gonna need. And then moving forward, I'll endeavour to just have it short, sharp, and succinct on one particular item of basic bike maintenance. And yeah, build from that. Also, yeah, seriously, it's not a how-to. Like it's a how I do. Okay, so it is just a couple of tech tips or mechanical tips that that I do that I've had success with. So cool. Yeah, trying to keep these of the TikTok generation short and sweet. Yeah, as much as I do love a 47-minute video, let's keep it. So until we meet again, people, where it'll be, I don't know, like chain or tire pressure or something like that, I'll knock them out. All right. Thanks for your attention. Hopefully 4 minutes is enough, right? All right. Peace out. Be well. Take care.